here we go. So, how did I get started with this, the car business? Well, it starts with my dad. He was a mechanic for years, and so he said about 6 or 7 years old, I was always following him and asking questions about cars and why was this and why was that, and also he said that I was a help. I mean, I was a hinder. Then I became a help later on because now he's starting to depend on me, right? So, with that being said, let's say he would drop a part or one of the tools inside the engine compartment, and his hand would be too big to reach it. So of course he's going to pick me up, and there I go with my smaller hands that could accommodate him in that way. So that was always fun, of course. Then after a while, again, I just fell in love with not being stuck on side the road ever, right? Because I'm gonna tell you, when your dad is a mechanic, they know what to do to get home. I remember several times he would say, well, you keep one foot on the accelerator and one on the brake to keep the car from dying at the light. How many of y'all can remember your daddy doing that? I know mine did. And it wasn't cause of bad gas. It probably needed I don't know what it needed, but anyway, with that kind of information, I would make it home, right? So, with that being said, and there's several of us in my family, but for some reason I got the car bug, right? And to this day, that's what I do. I'm an assistant service manager for a dealership, one of Toyota's dealerships. So anyway, um, but my passion to see vehicles get as many miles on it as you can, and you can, but you have to do your part. You got to maintain it. This is why I call it vehicle vitamins. Anything that's vital to that vehicle is a vitamin, whether it's your brakes, your tires, your wipers, right? All of that, air filters, cabin air filters, all of those parts are very important, even getting tune-ups, all right? So you can get the longevity that you deserve, because that's an investment. And vehicles are not cheap. So I say, hey, drive it till you can't. Like, I'm gonna drive it till the wheels fall off. Don't say that. What you look like a wheel falling off your car? I wouldn't say that. I would say I'm gonna drive it till I can't. And if that car's been good to you, you keep her. But that's my story, basically. Daddy's girl, of course, and just learn from him. So excited to share my information with you. We'll talk about different subjects and how you can maintain your vehicle and have longevity as well. I have a couple of friends with, I know one of them has, I think, 400,000 miles on her car now. And I had a previous vehicle while I had 348,000. And so again, it can be done, especially this time, this day and time, all right? Because 100,000 miles on a vehicle, excuse me, is not looked upon as it was back in the day, right? You have a lot of used car lots that sell vehicles with 100,000 plus, and they sell warranties with them. That's another subject we'll talk about again. Extended warranties, should you purchase one, should you not, uh, all of those things. But again, that's just pretty much a story about me. I'm a musician. I love live music. I love sneakers. I'll tell you a story. The reason why I like sneakers. People think all of these years I was wearing them just because, but there's a reason why. All right. So we'll get a chance to talk about that. You'll get to know a little bit more about me. But in the meantime, I need for you to be empowered with your vehicle maintenance, strictly from what? Vehicle vitamins. I'll see you on YouTube and TikTok. Take care.